Welcome, my friends. Today we are making something truly special, a miniature Ferris wheel, handcrafted from brass and copper. A little patience, a touch of creativity, and this tiny marvel will come to life. So grab your tools and let's make something wonderful together. Gently lay out all the materials and that handy blueprint on the table. With a careful hand, cut out the blueprint for our brass shape and then slice the brass plate in half. Before we bring everything together, let's give those plates a nice clean with some solvent and then a light mist of glue. Now place the blueprint on the brass and let those two halves become one. For our copper parts, we will take a pair of compasses and a trusty needle to sketch out some perfect circles and rectangles. And just like that, we have taken our first steps. Now let's bring in the drill and make some little holes right where they need to be. Our trusty blueprint will guide us to the perfect size. No guesswork, just smooth sailing. After that, we will gently file away any rough edges, giving everything a nice clean finish. Now it's time to cut out all the brass and copper pieces, letting each shape come to life. For those rectangular copper parts, let's add a little character. Drill a few holes or cut out some shapes to give our future cabins a bit of charm. And of course, we'll finish up with a little more filing to smooth out those sharp edges. Now let's give our little Ferris wheel its backbone, the axis. We will take our blueprint, carefully transfer those dimensions onto the tubes and mark our cut lines. A careful cut, leaving just a bit of extra room for final shaping, and we are almost there. With a little patient filing, we'll bring them to their perfect size, making sure everything fits just right. Now let's give our Ferris wheel a cozy little home, the wooden base. Gently sketch out the dimensions, then cut it out to the shape with care. A few precise drill holes will make space for our screws inserts. After that, we will smooth everything down with sandpaper, making those edges nice and soft. If you are feeling creative, a bit of paint can add a lovely touch. Finally, we will nestle the wooden insert into the place, and just like that our base is ready. Now let's bring our little cabins to life, each one a tiny masterpiece. We will start by shaping 16 delicate half spheres, giving them a rounded form. Then we will craft the middle cylindrical section. A few short copper strips will become our little hangers. With everything ready, it's time for a bit of magic, carefully soldering all the pieces together. And while we are at it, let's also give our Ferris wheel its sturdy legs and supports. Now it's time to smooth things out. Remove any glue from the brass pieces and shape them to the perfection with a file. With a bit of sandpaper, we'll prepare both flat and curved surfaces, making them shine ready. Before polishing, a quick wipe with a solvent ensures better polishing process. Polish each piece carefully, and for a little extra charm, try a different finish on the support parts. Once everything gleams, wipe away any leftover polish. Now comes the fun part, bringing everything together. Gently slide the cabin axles into the first wheel, letting them find their places. A touch of beeswax will help things move smoothly. One by one, add all 8 cabins and then carefully place the second wheel onto the axles. Now guide the main axle to the support part. Secure the wheel assembly in place, then finish by inserting the second support part. Finally, screw everything onto the wooden base. I made my own screws and gave them a beautiful blue finish, but store-bought ones will just work fine. Once everything is set, give it all one last gentle cleaning and there you have it, a lovely little Ferris wheel ready to spin. And with that, our Ferris wheel is complete. If you enjoyed this build, you will love my pocket-sized globe project. Be sure to check it out. I would also love for you to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more handmade creations. And don't forget, you can download today's blueprints from my website tinytreasuresblueprints.com. Thanks for watching and until next time, goodbye!